So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy Mullen Automotive stock, ticker symbol MULN, in Canada on the Questrade application. So open up Questrade, scroll down, and then go where it says buy and sell, the green little dot, and press on that. Then at the top, type in ticker symbol MULN. As you can tell, Mullen Automotive right here, simply go ahead and press on that. Now, if you want to buy this stock, go to the bottom left and press on buy. Once you're here, you can either select a share quantity or a dollar amount. So, for example, if you wanted to do $1, for example, go ahead and press on that. Then press on next, and then go through the process that way. So, very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Mullen Automotive stock, ticker symbol MULN, in Canada on Questrade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.